Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree if you are new here, and welcome back to my Palette Throwback Thursdays. In this part of the series, I am pairing together a random palette and a random cream or liquid eyeshadow. In today's video, I'm going to be pairing together the Colourpop Stone Cold Fox with the Colourpop Set To Stun Super Shock Shadow. Happy December, happy holiday-ish decor behind me. I'm quite excited. And with that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing the look that I do using these two products, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I've noticed with this palette in particular that it's better to work from darkest to lightest. So I'm going to start off with this bottom shade down here, Obsidian, and I'm going to take a really small fluffy brush and I'm going to build that up on my inner and outer corners. Next up, I'm going to take a slightly larger fluffy brush and I'm going to go into the shade Gravity Hill and use that to start blending out this darker shade. Really quick, I'm actually going to go in with a little bit of a mix of Obsidian and Rock Bottom and put that on like the very inner corners of my eyes, and then go back with the other two brushes and just blend everything. Last but not least, I'm going to go in with a big fluffy brush and I'm going to go into the shade Stone Age and just blend out the top edges. Alright, and last but not least, I'm going to go in with my finger into Set To Stun and just fill in the open space on my lids. Alright, so I did take that color pretty much all the way up to just under my brow bone. I kind of like when it's just all the way up with just like a soft amount of shine all the way up. I just think it looks nice. So I'm going to jump off. I'm not going to put on a wing today. I'm just going to line my lash line. I'm going to put on my base and I'll be back to continue working on this look. Alright, to start off, I'm going to go in with the NYX Sweet Cheeks Matte Blush in So Taupe and just do a real quick dirty contour. And then for bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Alright, really quick, I'm going to clean up my nose and do my under eyes. I'm literally just going to use the same colors that I used on my lids. I'll be right back. Alright, for my blush, I'm going to start off with the e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush in Always Rosy, and then I'm going to top it off with a little bit of the Milani Baked Blush in Sunset Passion. Alright, so for my highlight, I'm going to go in with the Milani Baked Highlight in the shade Dolce Perla. Alright, and this is actually perfect timing for me because I have a phone appointment very soon. So I'm going to jump off and finish up the rest of my face. I will show you guys what I put on my lips when I get back because I'm not 100% sure which lip color I'm going to choose. But I'm going to go finish up everything and I will be right back. Alright, so for my lips, I went in with the NYX Lingerie XXL in the shade Undressed, which works just perfectly with the tones. I love it so much. And that completes this look and is going to wrap up today's video using the Colourpop Stone Cold Fox palette and the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Set To Stun. I think this I think that I don't know how to fucking speak. I think that this look is so pretty and just like kind of fall-y, but like not, but like it's just a really pretty look, and I'm just very happy with how it turned out. So comment down below and let me know how you would pair these two products together. I would love to know. Please subscribe if you have not already. It would mean the world to me. Like this video, ring the bell, do all the things. I hope that you guys have an awesome, awesome day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!